Just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I'll never outdo. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not bending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. On my own, I tried to make the best of it alone. I've done everything I can to ease the pain, but